We're live. Welcome back, guys. Just me and my two boys. We've got some chips.
Again.
Dorito challenge.
This is our third chip challenge.
And gross pop challenge.
I think it's upside down.
Sorry.
Because looking at that, I feel like it should be on the top.
I know. We're doing a higher quality video this time because we've been using the face forward camera, which is not a very good quality. So we're actually using the good side. And no, just leave it. We're gonna leave it, and we're gonna test it out. Just to give this try here.
You eat a whole bag of chips without it being the right way.
No, either way, I'll be able to turn it around.
Okay.
Yeah. In tools, I mean in the whatever.
Yeah.
We got Crazy Pop, peanut butter and jelly soda, sweet corn, or pumpkin pie. I think all of them should taste pretty decent.
Probably it's gonna be the weirdest.
Yeah, probably.
What one?
And then, of course, we got Cool Ranch. We haven't done Cool Ranch yet. What have we done? We've done the hot ones. What were those ones called? Tapatio. We've done probably the normal ones.
Cheeto Puffs.
Cheeto Puffs. We did a different kind of Doritos, didn't we?
Sweet chili?
No.
No, we should.
We've only done
sweet chili, yeah. All right. So, as always,
we're gonna rock, paper, scissors for a race.
This is a race. Okay.
We should do the odd one out gets that one.
Odd one out? What does that mean?
No.
Hey, you do rock, paper, scissors in the
we're all going
out.
to rock, paper, scissors like a tournament. So
Okay.
me and you are going to go first. Whoever loses gets to play... Oh, wait. This three's kind of hard.
That's why you do odd one out.
What?
You all do rock, paper, scissors, and then whichever two are the same, the person who isn't the same gets to choose first.
Tell us what to do.
Okay, so...
Rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah.
What is this?
You go forward, because rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
He's old. So
Yeah,
he
he's
goes
very
forward.
old. It's... Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Whatever, okay. Now we got it.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So
sorry.
you're the odd one out, you pick first.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes.
What were you apologizing for?
Because people always do... I do this, and the paper's supposed to be like that.
Whatever. It's all good. Dang you.
Okay. Now rock, paper, scissors for it.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
Boom.
2 out of 3.
No.
We didn't do 2 out of 3 there. Yeah.
You can't do 2 out of 3 in that.
So I'll take pumpkin pie, baby.
Okay.
Sweet corn.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Which goes well with corn chips.
Yeah.
That's what you get for getting bacon there.
Oh crap! Go grab the thing.
Oh yeah.
So we let's see. We just made a video, posted it. He just went in the room. It is cereal. Go check out our cereal one. We did a whole box, family size, and see who the winner is. Go check that out. That's our most recent one before this. So this is a race. It's gonna be a tough one because this dude is fast. This dude, I think, can. Oh, you're gonna be okay with braces?
Good.
All right.
Dad,
I did the French
Keep
toast.
forgetting
I
that.
won the Tapatio. You won the Cheetos.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Now I'm gonna win.
Oh, I want to try this. Everybody, try your pop. I want to try yours too.
Yeah.
That tastes pretty good.
That's spicy.
What?
Yeah.
It's pumpkin pie.
That's weird.
Oh, that is definitely sweet corn,
Hmm?
but not bad. That's spicy.
It's gingery, yeah.
That's not that bad.
That's odd. It's an odd one.
I don't like it as much as your guys'.
I think you chose
I thought that was gonna be the best one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought sweet corn would be the best.
This really has a lot of spice to it.
I like it.
It's very gingery, that's for sure.
Well, it's not supposed to be gingery. It's more. What are you doing? Oh, cheater! Oh, cheater!
Bro, you're just ruining it.
No, I'm gonna keep it like this. All right. Oh yeah, let's do this. We're gonna time it. All right, you guys, ready?
Pull up.
Oh, you just called him a cheater, and you're gonna bite it.
Yeah.
I can't do that with my braces. It's fine.
Hey, subscribe to us, please. We're looking for subscribers, and we're gonna pick one and send you a mystery box. So subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment.
This is
We'll
amazing.
get you in there. All right, guys, you ready?
Yeah.
Set. Go.
Ow.
These are really good. I'm really hungry. I don't think I had breakfast, did I? I had a beef stick. And he ate most of it. No, he didn't eat it. He got a few bites, so. Hey, bud. How you doing? Powder everywhere.
Ow. Oh, that one hurt.
Don't hurt yourself. Ooh. We're not allowed to.
That hurt.
You know what? We just did the cereal challenge yesterday. And my gums are still kind of cut up. I can feel it. How about? How's your pop with it, Dad? Whoa.
Don't feel crab.
Wow. Huh? How are you doing?
Not good. I can't.
Stop.
I'm
Stop
trying.
and drink a little bit. How? Okay, that's getting. I want you to win. Because you haven't won yet. Well.
I'm not beating Craig, so. If you're beating Craig, then yeah.
I'm not, yeah. And the pop foams up so much.
Mine doesn't.
Huh?
Mine doesn't.
Really? There's a lot of chips in here.
Tastes amazing though.
Ow!
Craig, what's your favorite flavor of Doritos?
Yeah, what's the deal?
What?
What's the deal?
That's so
What is
disgusting.
Dorito.
Favorite? You know, historically it's been ranch.
Really?
Growing up it was always ranch. But, I don't know. Tapatio's really good, but so is the chili. Sweet chili? Sweet spicy chili? What is it called?
Spicy sweet chili.
This is hurting. It gets so dry so fast.
Mm-hmm.
You good?
Mm-hmm. My bag is telling me otherwise.
Crap. Crab's looking good. You're not looking too bad. I don't think I'm looking good. My jaw is getting tired. Man, some of these are so covered.
Mm-hmm.
That last one was so covered. You look. You snuck a pig. You look. You really want to beat me. Got so much thumbs up. It's tougher than it looks. Really loving you. What we got in time?
8. 8.
My ability to chew is getting hard.
Get down.
I'm slowing down. That pumpkin pie is gross. We'll come out. Crap. Oh. I don't think it matters. Yeah. You probably look disgusting.
Gross.
You got puke?
Just one gag. Because of his pop.
In my mouth, all of it.
Swallow, 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 swallow. And drink that.
Winner. I thought you had me. Look how close. He got it too. Dude, that's a record. 10 minutes? That's a record for us. You have to finish that nasty stuff. You did good.
Yeah.
You did good.
Better than all
He
the
only
other
has
chips.
he only has less than a quarter.
Less than, yeah.
Quarter left. Oh.
I had better, way better. Well, I guess I can't.
Thing
really
is,
count the
we
other
keep
ones.
stepping up our game, and he's stepping up his game, which is already behind.
Mhm.
So he's doing better, but not quite.
I thought I had you.
Oh, dude, I really hit the afterburners. Took off there at the end. Oh.
I wanted to gag a few times trying
I
to...
saw. Oh.
I didn't realize that my wire did the bend thing.
Are you guys gonna be hungry in 6 minutes for dinner?
Mhm.
I didn't plan that out very well.
This
I've
pop
got-
makes me want to not eat anything for the rest of my life.
I've got meat and sausage and
I actually
potatoes.
highly recommend this pop. It actually tastes really good.
That was the best one, I think.
With the floaties. Dude, I can feel the top of my mouth. The skin
Yeah.
is hanging. Not like horribly, but it is like I took a sandpaper and that's gonna hurt tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. It was like the last one we did.
Wow. That's way worse than the cereal. Mmm. All for you guys.
Wait, I might win.
The best Dorito commercial was still the one where he's like this. He's like, the best part of the bag, and he does this, and then he puts it down and looks over, and his coworker's sucking on his finger, getting the stuff off of it.
I'm gonna agree with him, yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's my favorite. Oh, well, that's a lot. Oh, what do you think, guys? Oh.
I love it. It's amazing.
Hey, leave some comments. Don't break your braces. We want some more suggestions. I know there was a whole chicken. That's a good keto friendly one. This ain't. That was loud. That hurt me. Yeah. What other? I know we're gonna do another pop. What kind of pop? You know what? I
Dr.
saw.
Pepper.
Oh, really? Oh, now you like Dr. Pepper?
It's not that bad.
You know what? We got a lot of people saying Dr. Pepper when I asked before. Maybe we'll do a Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper and Goldfish.
What?
Dr. Pepper and Goldfish.
Hey, the last one we finished at all without throwing
Yeah,
up.
that was so horrible.
Dr. Pepper and Goldfish.
Oh, why goldfish?
Because it makes it fizz.
Oh, like I want that. It's hard enough to get.
It's just like this Sprite banana.
It's hard enough to get a 2-liter bottle.
It's
down
just
here.
like this Sprite banana.
If you drink,
gross.
pop, if we drink a whole pop can and eat a few Mentos,
Mm.
I don't know. Probably
Swallow the Mentos whole.
I don't want to do. I'll have to look that up. I'll do some research on that. That doesn't sound very good for you.
no.
That sounds like it could harm you. All right. So yeah, we want some more recommendations. Tell us what you want to see us eat, race. So we got the chicken. I know the next one should be. We're gonna do the hot gum. What is it called? Treble bubble. Treble bubble or bubble trouble. And that one should be so hot. Did you hear that? That was a hiccup.
Mm-hmm.
And I was able to do it. You want to finish those?
I'm
Are
trying.
you trying to? You're almost there.
I don't know if I'll be able to.
Let's see. Can you finish it in 20 minutes? Before 20 minutes is up? Oh. I also want to set up... I want to set up a... Oh, man. I want to get a... what do you call it? A P.O. box. I want to get a P.O. box and have you guys send us things that you want us to eat. There's some guys that do that. It's great. It's crazy. Yeah, they send them things and they try them. Like, they'll send them a box of the dried tarantula. And...
I mean, I think I could do that.
You think you can?
I think I can.
I think I can.
It's dead.
I'm pretty sure. I mean, we got you young eating crickets. And, what was it? Crickets
Not
and...
alive crickets.
No.
Scorpions and larvae.
Did we do the... Well,
larva,
that's the
that's
cricket larva. Or not larva. Whatever. Anyway. Yeah, you're right. The dried larvas. Did we do scorpion?
No.
We'd never got
Sucker. We did a sucker, I think.
No, we didn't.
I don't know if we did.
Oh.
Anyway, we want more suggestions. We know there's lots of stuff out there. So, it's really weird talking to my phone when I can't see myself now.
Yeah.
That's why we always did it the other way. You can see us. Make sure we're in there.
I'm like looking at the center of the phone. But the
I know.
photos are over there.
I know. We're like, where is it? I got an itch. All right, so that was... I didn't like it with the chips for sure.
Oh my gosh.
It was okay by itself.
Yeah.
That's actually pretty good. That one.
had
This
a-
one was kind of weird. Like peanut butter jelly, you could taste that they were trying to be peanut buttery.
I didn't like the
But
aftertaste.
I think the aftertaste of the peanut butter was what was weird with that one.
Every time I would drink it, I would like just soak up the water. I don't want to taste it. Don't want to taste it. I'm like swallow.
Yeah, no, seriously, drink. Oh. And as soon as it went in the mouth and hit my chips, it foamed up. You could see me choke a couple times because it tried to force itself
When
down.
you put too much pop in your mouth, you're like, oh.
Dinner's ready, dude. Oh, not really. It has to do the whole steam let off thing. Oh man, I know I dropped a few little crumbs here and there.
I feel I dropped a lot.
Not a whole lot, but
I was stuffing my face.
I was too. I can't believe I beat you. Looking at yours, I thought there's no way.
I know.
And then I really turned on. I turned it on. But I only beat you by about a chip.
About
crumbs.
one bite, one swallow.
Yeah, one swallow. That was awesome, dude. I'm winning, and you.
You
Boy.
keep beating me by that much. The last
I know.
Few times.
What's the very next one? I don't know. We'll
We
figure it
don't
out.
have one planned.
We'll figure it out, guys. So he's almost done, but still got a little bit. Anyway, we'll wrap it up. Thanks for watching. As always, we love you. Subscribe, like, all that fun stuff. Turn that thing off.